Hello, kids, and welcome to AI and Robotics Club. Today, we are going to start a new series that is mBlocks or Make Blocks. You can see the interface here. All you have to do is just go to the Google, write here mBlock, and from this website, that is mblock.cc, you are just going to here and you have to click on code with block. It is going to open a new interface, and that is a happy panda. So here we have our mBlock interface. So what we can do in mBlock today, just we are going to introduce. In mBlock you have already learned programming in Scratch. If you have not, we are going to repeat all those things here again. But this is a advanced mode of Scratch. Here you are going to use sprites to make your programs, your games, and along with that you can use the Python language. You can see here it's Python. You are going to learn Python here as well, and you are going to use Python for your programs. Let's see, I'm just going to show you an example. From here I'm going to open. This is a program we developed earlier. Okay, very simple. This is the program. If I am going to click on this one, it is going to show me the Python code for this one. Whatever we are going to create it is creating a Python code here, and we are going to learn that as well. I'm going to close it. Okay, so and the third thing what we are going to learn, we are going to learn devices. So what are devices? Devices are the physical robots that we are going to use our programs to program them. We are going to create the program here, and it's going to control our robots. I'm going to add a robot from here, that is mbot neo. I'm just going to click OK, and this is mBot Neo. You can find and buy these devices from your local stores, from Amazon, or there are many places you can buy these one from there. And with these devices you can see we have different set of coding here, controls here, which includes audio, LED, display, motion sensing. These were not available in sprites, which are just used for programming, right? So we can learn three things here. First of all, programming our games, then the Python language, and then the devices, the physical devices, physical robots that we can program with this program. I'm just going to close this one. So this is where I'm just don't need any device right now. I'm going to delete it. We are just going to start with sprites. Okay, so this blue line you can see here, the first thing is our file. From here we can create a new project, open an existing product we already created and saved, which are here. Then we can save our project with a different name. If we save it to our computer, we can save it to our computer and then open it from our computer as well. Publish means when we are going to use that, it is going to publish that one that program, that game, and we can use that program anywhere outside this program as well. The second thing, by default, it says entitled. This is the name of the project we are creating. I'm just going to write here my first project, and I am going to click save. It is going to save the project here. We have to save it. It is not auto saved here. Okay. The next thing where here is on the right side, this is the stage where our physical program, our characters, our backgrounds, our gaming components show. So we can see whatever we are programming here, we can see whatever changes or whatever effects it is having here, we can see in this screen. This is our stage. Beneath this, we have different kind of modes where we can see how we want to see. Let's say I'm going to click on this one, and you see it has changed a little. And this is how it was looking before. If I'm going to click on this one, it is going to show me this stage by full, so I can play it and see it as I want. Next is we can have some graphs here showing the positions of our stage, the location of our stage, or if we want to disable it, we can see simple the stage. The two buttons red and green, this is to stop and start the game. We are going to learn all this one today, just we are introducing to the interface. Beneath it, we have devices, sprites, and backgrounds. If we want to use a background in our game, we can use it here. And in sprites, whatever we are selecting, the properties are showing here. The sprite name is panda. If I'm going to change the name of panda, let's say panda 1, I can change it. And this is the X and Y position where this sprite is right now. If I am going to change the location of this sprite, this character we use here, this is called sprite. It is called sprite in Scratch and here in mBlock or mBlock as well. So if I am going to write here 0, it is going to be in the center of my stage. This is the 0, 0 position. Always remember, it is considering the center of my sprite. If my sprite is like this is the center of the stage. The center of the sprite is going to be on the stage. And if I want to change the size, make it larger or smaller, I can do it. If I want to change the direction, I can change it physically as well. Or I can write here the direction I want. -90. So you see, it has changed the direction completely on the other side. But what happens is it's upside down now. I don't want that. So I am going to choose this center left right position. So whenever it is changing the direction, it is not going upside down. Okay. So if I am going to change the direction back to 90, it is going to be straight ahead. If I want to hide this sprite or show it, I can see that. Then we have costumes here. In costumes, we can have different versions of our same sprite. It is going to be the panda one, but you see the Panda 2 and 1, they have little difference in the movement. So if we are going to use them in our, it seems, you can see on the stage that it seems like it's moving. We are going to learn here how we are going to change the sprite, change the colors and everything here, and we can create our own sprites as well. And we can add some sounds here as well. We have some sounds here. We can add some sounds. There are many sounds here. You can click on any and you can hear them. Okay, so that's about all about the right hand side panel. These are the commands or the instructions we want our robots to do something. Let's say we start with motions. The first one, if I'm going to bring it here and click on it, it is going to move 10 steps. If I'm going to write here, instead of 10 steps, minus 10 steps, so it is going to move backwards. Then in looks, let's say if I am going to write here next costume and I am going to write here 10. So what is it going to do? It is going to move 10 steps and change the costume every time. So these are all the instructions, and these are the group of the instructions we can use to program our game or program or whatever we want to make here. There are many things we can do in here, and we are going to do all those things one by one. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.